Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. If you're new, please subscribe. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a custom shift boot on my Evo 9. Alright, before we get into today's video, I did hit the 500 subscriber mark on my channel, so we're going to do the giveaway right here. Alright, we got all the names in here, so let's do this. Looks like it's Eduardo Rodriguez. You're the winner. Congrats, my man. You win the NRG tow hook, and that is my first giveaway on the channel and not going to be my last. Hit me up down in the comments to let me know how I can get in touch with you, whether it be on Instagram or however you prefer. First thing we're going to need to do is remove the center console, so let's get into that. Now that we got the OEM one out, we can make our custom one and put it back in the car. So I'm trying to do an all Bride interior, so I figured this material right here that I picked up off of Amazon will work perfect. I'll link it down below in case you guys want to make your own custom shift boot. But yeah, this stuff is the black gradient material, and I think it's going to look fantastic in the car. I haven't done any sewing since I was in middle school, home ec class, so bear with me on this. We'll see how this is going to go. So first thing we need to do is draw out the shape or the pattern of the old shift boot onto the material. Now that we got the pattern all cut out, it's time to sew this thing up. Now that we have it all sewn up, we got to get it back onto this little bezel here. And there's these little tabs that each one of these little pieces goes onto. So let's get that done. Works pretty good. That's all I got for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.